get to like some like...
It's getting better and better. That boat kind of creates a wave. Good morning! I missed out yesterday. I fell asleep. It's impossible here to upload. I woke up at 5 AM with my computer on the side, you know. So I thought I'm gonna miss out for just one day. So I have a full day to manage how to upload my video. My foot is looking a little better. I mean, yeah, at least I can walk. Look, I'm not lying. It's on 90% and it says 1 hour. Yeah, I think here you can get the best coffee and the best croissants. Yeah, right. That looks awesome.
The shading's always the longer parts. Are you working while you're traveling? Or?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Awesome. And how long are you traveling for?
I don't know. It's so difficult to do something so huge with just that small picture.
I'm used to it now.
I'm going to the beach this time without selfie stick. It's just way too heavy with it. And I feel like it's gonna work like this as well. I mean, at least I can walk to the beach, and I thought for today I'm gonna go to the skate park real quick and just film someone else. And if you wanna know what's going on in real time, you gotta check out my Instagram stories. That's the only way. You're killing it. You have to keep it up. How old are you?
I'm 7. I've taken a break of skateboarding for maybe 2 months.
Did you compete at the contest?
I'm not bowling on.
You know, I would never do a drop-in over there. It's steep and it's a little bit overboard too. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the skate park a little later. Hopefully there's someone who can skate. Yeah, my food it's getting better and better, I feel like.
It's 6:45.
Thank you. What I see here always, lots of people are waiting for a bus. Skate park right at the beach, I love it. I'm feeling like a tourist now who wants to take pictures with a skate park.
I've seen like a video and you were like trying to get to like some like subs,
right.
So you could like, like Sweden has like some tax or something.
I just realized, shit, what do I do when I can't skate, when I can't walk? Today was a little bad. I'll be back on my skateboard. I can't do tricks, I think. We'll see what's gonna happen with my foot. I mean, I'm able to stand on one foot right now. It's not too bad. In the last summer, I went wake surfing with my friends and I filmed everything with my drone. I made a really nice video about it. And I tried it by myself as well. I'm not really good in it. My friends are way better. It was my first time as well. Wake surfing behind a boat. It was really special for me. I've never seen it like this. I thought you can just surf on a wave. That was a special wake surf boat, so that boat kind of creates a wave behind that boat which you can surf. I'll show you the video right now. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I know it's a little short, but it was a great day though. We'll see each other tomorrow, hopefully. Oh my god, the worst thing ever happens. Can I just hold you on that side?
Have you had something to eat?